is up? This is right back again, and this time it is the Hot Wheels unboxing video, guys. And here I've got is a Corvette C7R, which is a Grand Tour racing car, guys. It actually replaced the Corvette C6R. Actually, the C7s are really awesome. Like, just look at them. They are so ferocious. So, damn, that car is really awesome. So, can't wait to unbox this car. So, yup, you know the drill. First the unboxing, and then let's go for the information. So, here it comes. Wow, guys, look at this car. It's so awesome. It's much wider, and you've got the front wheel smaller than the rear wheel. It's quite a difference. And you can see that it has no rear lights, which is a default. And of course, the rear glass is kind of like screwed up. Like, you got screws all over the glass, which is nice detailing. And you've got the Corvette badge at the front with the headlights. That's cool. You got the Summit badge, and of course, not forgetting the C7R badge. Oh, yep, guys. And if we compare the C7R with the regular C7, you can find out the difference. The difference is that the regular C7 is much larger than the C7R, because the C7R is a race car and it's much lower than the regular C7. So yep, guys, that was the difference which we actually found out with the C7 and the C7R. So why don't we move up to the informations right now? Yep, guys, coming up to the information about the Corvette C7R right here, why don't we begin with the engine? The engine is actually a 5.5 liter V8 naturally aspirated front engine. Of course, all Corvette C7s are front engined. And talking about the transmission, guys, the transmission in this car is an X-Track 6-speed semi-automatic gearbox, which shifts really fast, guys. It's really fast in the shift. Talking about the horsepower, guys, the horsepower is actually 491 horsepower, which doesn't seem so much, but still, it is really, it puts out the power. Talking about the length of this car, guys, the length of this car is 4,496 in millimeters, guys. Talking about the width of this car, the width of this car is 2,050 in millimeters, guys. Talking about the height of this car is 1,151 in millimeters, guys. The top speed, the best part, all the car enthusiasts over here, the top speed of this car is 200 miles per hour, which doesn't seem so much good for a race car. Well, coming up to the acceleration time, guys, the 0-60, it does it in 3.3 seconds, which is actually fast. Well, coming up to the price, actually, you can own this race car. So the price of this car is $112,400. That's some serious money out there. You gotta put if you want to get a race car in your garage. So yep, guys, as I've ended up all the information about this car, why don't we go for the special fact? So here it is. Let's see what's it got. Okay, so this is quite a big one. Well, no. Well, guys, here it says that the Corvette C7R will use the E20 fuel during the IMSA. That's IMSA season, the 24 hours Le Mans. Wow, this is a Le Mans race car out there, so it's really gonna put out that power though. Well, this car is beautiful, guys. I can't say more about it. Yep, this car is extremely nice. So, yep, guys, as I've ended up all the information and the videos out here, so you know what to do. If you are new, guys, just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all in next week, guys, with a brand new car. Till then, stay tuned, and bye-bye. Have a cool weekend.